Tinnitus relief naturally, a non-medical approach. Tinnitus is a hearing condition which affects millions each year. Those diagnosed with tinnitus suffer from a ringing, buzzing, or whistling noise in the inner part their ears, where no noise is actually present. It can be caused by several different factors including exposure to loud noises, stress, certain foods and even allergies. Although it is sometimes quite difficult, there are several ways for tinnitus relief naturally. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. One prescribed treatment is to avoid exposure to loud noises. Many times this can increase the damage done to the inner ear and thus create a heavier ringing noise. It is advised to wear earplugs as well as maintain low volume levels when listening to music or watching television. Another method to curing tinnitus is by purchasing small sound generators and maintaining this subtle background noise. This helps to combat irritating noises by using a machine-made sound to cancel both noises out. Food intolerances have also been linked to heightened stress and anxiety, which can aggravate tinnitus. Cutting back on things such as caffeine, salt, sugar, and alcohol could possibly improve the current condition. Many people have also turned to therapeutic healing methods. Participating in tinnitus habituation therapy is a technique which combines sound enrichment therapy with directive counseling. This can lower the patient's stress level and reduce the severity of their condition. By consulting a doctor and finding alternative methods of treatment, many today who are suffering from ringing in their ears are finding natural ways of curing their tinnitus. Through changes in habits, simple household appliances, and many other forms of counseling and support groups, they receive help which allows them cope with such conditions. Although tinnitus is very difficult to cure, there are many things that one can do to eliminate and relieve the chronic ringing inside their ears. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips, subscribe the channel.